up, guys? Today we're going to be going to the SP Tools grand opening in Fairhope. I think it's in Fairhope. I can't remember. But you're going to do a grand opening. It's going to be a little car show. I think it's going to be American Muscle mostly. They're going to have free food, drink, stuff like that. It's going to be a little fun little day. So let's get after it, baby. Alright, so we made it to the show. There's my car. Check out this Mustang, dude. Super clean. So it's going to be a like an American Muscle. It's gonna be pretty cool though. I seen like an old World War II Jeep. Pretty cool. So let's get into it, baby. I hope you guys liked that part of the video. I hope you can hear me now. I got my car cranked up. Now we're gonna go to a Target and some Walmart, just kind of hang out. I don't think that video was too long. My fault. Didn't mean for that to move. I moved my hand. But yeah, let's get into it, baby. We're at our first place. We're at Walmart, and really what I'm looking for is the Porsche Carrera, the white with the blue stripe, Hot Wheel. I'm looking for the Team Transport. Can't remember the car, but it looked good because I collect the import cars and Porsches. It's really all I collect. Not crazy about Hot Wheels. Like, I collect them, but just what I want. Like, if I seen a treasure hunt, I probably wouldn't get it. I'm not big into that, but just kind of bored. I don't want to just go home and sit down and play the game or anything right now. Go live, maybe do that later, but yeah, let's get it, baby. So this is pretty cool. So now we're at Target. See what they got, and let's go, babe. It's really cool. Oh yeah. And they have the Fast and Furious set. That's pretty cool. Found one. Also got this too, but check this out. Super excited that I found this Porsche, man. Check this out. Look at that. I like that it says the 75th on the back. I'll show you guys later. It says 75th on the back too. And check that out though. That is super cool. I've been looking for this for a few days now. About a week or two. But super cool. I got the racing Porsche as well. Or I've already got that in the car. But let's get it. What is up, guys? Hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was a pretty cool car show. It wasn't very big. So it's an SP Tools car show. They're opening up one about 15-20 minutes away, like an actual place you can go in, get your vehicle worked on, buy tools. It's really cool. So it was a grand opening for that. They had free food, just all sorts of stuff. So they gave us, so I walked in. It's pretty funny. So I thought you had to like sign up or just something like that to go in, look around, or they was just telling us about it. She goes, here you go, here's your free gift bag. Man, we got some really cool stuff. Let me show you. So first off, we got there we go. Oh, is it gonna load? There we go. So we got that. SP Tools. Some sunglasses that say SP on them. A sticker that's gonna go on the toolbox. We got, this is cool. I think this is really cool. It's a little keychain. It says happy hour on it. It's a bottle opener. It's pretty cool. 10mm socket. And then they got this right here is probably the coolest thing to do. That's... So, in the shop, it was $100.
The next day...
So I found the two Porsches I was looking for, and I didn't get it. I did get it on camera, but I didn't get it for YouTube. I got it for the shorts. That's here in a second, but got dude, I can't believe I got this. You got that. Your boy got this as well. Here, man, here. Oh well, I'll fix it here in a second when I'm editing the video. But I got that, and I found the Sylvia, bro. This is cool. I'm fixing to open this and put it up here with my HKS Team Transport. I found this too when I got the Team Transport. That's pretty cool as well. I don't know why it keeps focusing on my face. I'll see if I can fix it while I'm editing the video. But that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, stay careless.